The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clark County in southwestern Washington, west central Skamania County in southwestern Washington until 8 p.m. At 7:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Yacolt, or near Battleground, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and up to penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Battleground, Yacolt, Louisville, Thunderstorm, Chilachi, Moulton, Hyson, and Amboy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.